Getting an $80 Temu coupon code is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open the Temu app on your mobile phone. When the app is open, you can see its interface. Then you have to click on any product. If you want to use the coupon on this product, you have to open Google Chrome and type Bougie coupon in the search bar. After that, you have to click on the Bougie coupon website link. When its website dashboard is open, you have to type Temu in the search bar. Then you have to click on the See More button. Afterward, if you want to get a coupon and use it for $100 50% off or 35% off, you have to click on the Show Open button, and you can see that the code is hidden. It's locked. If you want to get this coupon code, you have to click on the Unlock button. Afterward, a new window will open. Now you have to install Alibaba.com or the suggested apps that are given here. You have to install them. Then you have to again open the Bougie coupon. And after installing these apps, your Temu coupon code is unlocked. You have to copy this code, and you can use it on the Temu app to purchase any product at a lower price. And it's done. This is how you can get an $80 Temu coupon code.